Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install online bill pay for credit card payments with USAA step by step clearly. To install online bill pay for credit card payments with USAA, begin by visiting the USAA website. Log into your USAA account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, click the sign up option to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the banking tab located in the main menu. Scroll down until you find the Bill Pay section. Click on Set up Bill Pay to start the installation process. You may be prompted to verify your identity for security reasons. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your identity. Next, choose the account you wish to pay your credit card from. Select your USAA credit card as the payee. Enter the amount you would like to pay and choose the payment date. Review the payment details carefully before proceeding. Once you're satisfied, click on the Submit button to complete the setup. You will see a confirmation message indicating that your payment has been scheduled. Keep a record of the confirmation number for your reference. If you wish to set up recurring payments, navigate back to the Bill Pay section. Select Manage Payments and then Add Recurring Payment. Follow the prompts to schedule future payments automatically. After completing the setup, log out of your USAA account for security. You're now ready to use online bill pay for your credit card payments with USAA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.